Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Ahn Hyo-seop's fortune analysis. An application for an analysis of Ahn Hyo-seop's fortune has been received. Actor Ahn Hyo-seop with a beautiful smile. I was surprised to see Ahn Hyo-seop's acting in the drama. Let's analyze it together. Ahn Hyo-seop is a big mountain from fortune. A big mountain is a thing that becomes the center of people everywhere and gives them trust. There are letters marked with pink hearts in the picture above. This is a letter that makes him feel more attractive as you look at it. To be loved for a long time, he needs to be popular. But I think the more you see him, the more important the factors that makes you feel attractive. Ahn Hyo-seop has such a strong position. It's a good structure. It's an interesting part of Ahn Hyo-seop's fortune. There are letters in the union. One means cute and the other means handsome. Ahn Hyo-seop is born with a cute and handsome appearance. Also, the association of the letters became an alliance that helped Ahn Hyo-seop's acting skills. It's not related to the luck analysis, but it's a structure with very strong teeth. Ahn Hyo-seop has a strong energy in his fortune. It's tied in a circle, and there's an energy that helps him cheer up in a strong position. It's very competitive. He wanted to push through with anything and has excellent execution ability. However, there is a slight conflict between the letters that mean himself and the letters that mean women. It's not a destructive collision. There is a suggestion that when he meets a woman, he fights a little, and when he breaks up, he misses her a lot. This is a problem that can be solved if they are busy. So it would be better if they are the same actors and stay busy for a long time. The most important point of Ahn Hyo-seop's fortune is the letters marked with honor. This letter is the letter right next to it. Ahn Hyo-seop's very rough and active field fits well. He is very handsome, but he will be more attractive and fit in rough fields such as action and historical dramas, because the letters give agility, execution, and quick judgment, and since he values honor, he fits well with the general's image. If Ahn Hyo-seop was not an actor, he would have done well even if he became a businessman in a very active field. I think he will be more successful if he shows his active side through acting. I look forward to his great acting. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.